Hey guys, it's me Maria, and today I'm going to be messing around with Smart Noise Putty, and it's really fun to do with, and my friends, they kind of suggested me some stuff to build out of it, so I'm going to be showing you guys today, and let's get started. So today, the first suggestion was I should make a heart. So if you want to make a small heart, you basically take some small putty. You can do anything like Play-Doh or anything, like, it doesn't matter. But first you take a little bit, probably like a little ball if you can make one. Not really small, it's just kind of like it looks like Patrick's brain. No, from SpongeBob. Patrick's so, he thinks he's so smart, but he's like so stupid. He has a little brain. So you get that, you kind of push it around. It kind of looks like a brain color to you guys, but it's really like really dark pink in real life because of the camera. So, and then keep on pushing. So until it looks like this, okay? So then take a little bit of this, like at the bottom. So how you make like the curve at the bottom? You do that, and then you kind of go like this, but you don't want to spread out the little part, but you kind of go like this. And then you take your knife, not sharp knife, I don't want to get anybody hurt. You take a knife, you do it like through the middle a little bit, and then, oh sorry, not too hard enough. And then cut it, kind of widen it out, and that's how you make a heart. Kind of looks like in tongues. I'm actually gonna put it in my mouth. I'm going to put it on my lips. It kind of doesn't look like tongue in real life, but that's how you make the heart. Okay, how to make the biggest heart. You can actually do this for Valentine's Day, for your boyfriend, or for your crush, if you want to. Like, you can draw a little face, but if you like want to keep on retrying it, then you probably don't want to draw a face on it. Squish! Squish. Okay. Okay, so then you do the squishy bye. Hey! Okay, squish it. Squish it. Okay, then it's kind of turning out into a heart so far how I did it. It kind of looks like a heart. Then you do that. Come to the middle. Let you don't care. You don't care. Yeah. Okay, so then, sorry about that. I just love messing around, guys. Then you cut it in the middle, little bit. You make the Valentine's heart, if you know what I mean, or if it's Valentine's. No, it's on February. Just joking. Where is it? Okay, so then you do that, the little heart. Pew. I love you. That's how it turns out. Okay, now for the next suggestion. Okay, the next suggestion was let's get a list. Okay, got it. So this is just the most of star. So basically, y'all know how to make stars, but you don't know how to make like Patrick stars. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna widen it out. I'm gonna take my knife and kind of cut it into a star shape. Then let's see how that turns out. Take. Okay, well, that's how mine turned out. Kind of widening it out. I'm going to try to make it bigger by widening it out. I'll be right back. Oh, just joking. I'm never back. So, which I'll be right back. Hey guys, it actually took like about 4 minutes or 5, because I had to widen it out so much because it was bringing out, so that's how much I could widen it. Like, it looks like a little happy dance. Like that's little legs and these arms. So that's basically it. Now I had to cut it. It was always like breaking, and I'm like, I have to restart. I think I skipped forward. You guys didn't see that. Oh no, it's breaking. Hey, don't try that, Pete. Okay. So, I will try to figure this out. You know what, friend? This is a hard suggestion. So, let's go on to the next one. Okay, the next suggestion was by a girl, if you notice, because the suggestion was a dress. Okay, so simply, that seems easy. Or does it? Okay, so, what do you, I just in this little circle, probably want to do that, and then on the top circle, you probably want to cut that off. I'm just joking. Someone called 911. Okay, so I'm back. I wasn't even anywhere. Okay, so I'm on track. Why is this sound? Yeah, what the? Why just the camera was falling? Then I skipped forward. Okay. Okay, guys, so I basically did this. Oh my god, it looks like a beard. Okay, so now, what are we going to dress? I just cut off the things that I just had here, like these things, so you have to cut those off. Actually, yeah, you have to cut those off. If you want to make a dress for a birthday. Oh my god, you know what? That actually looks like a vase. And you know what? I was actually planning for a vase because that was on the list. Oh, the paper's over there. Well, I'll go get it. Okay, got it. See? See? That was the paper sound. Or probably not. Probably just making these up. I don't have friends. My friends at school, basically. And now, if you want to turn the vase into a dress, you take this, you take that, you stretching it out. That's probably like this part. Send that out. Then you stretch the bottom out so it'll look like a dress. Probably like the bottom. That was from the bottom and from the top. Okay, so that's basically like a shirt. If you want to make a shirt. Or that when you eat. Well, that's it all for today, guys. I hope to see ya again. Bye. Okay, bye, guys.